Hey, my amigos, Ivan here at Banner Ford. Got your 2011 crew cab, 4-wheel drive. It's about 206 on the driven miles. Now, y'all heard me say it before. It only shows where it's been, not where it's going. So this one's a 3.5 EcoBoost. It looks like it's got a level kit on the front side of it. I'll definitely lift it. Barely see through this camera here, but it's the sun. Ivan Lopez here, Banner Ford in Mandeville. 95-966-9443. That's me. Get back to the truck. Of course, they changed the stickering on the back. This time of year, 4th of July is coming. It'll definitely be you. Get your fixed running boards. The American flag bleached out on the front Ford symbol. This has got the chrome package, got the chrome bumpers, handles and bumpers, which I'm repeating myself twice there. Shoes and wheels. And there's your level kit, my bad. You can see it better on this side. Your 2 running boards. Again, it is a 3.5 EcoBoost. Description and price I'll update later. So there's a rear receiver, spray and bed liner, drop and rubber mat. Of course, there's a surprise for you. This is not going to stay. So those of you guys that know about the high trim level, massaging chairs and heated seats, well, the owner had the same thing in this truck. But they're going to come out. So the ones you can buy one of the department stores and all the controllers. So this one's not staying. It's pretty cool. You don't have the high-end truck, but you can always add it. So he did it for passenger as well. So these guys are coming out. That's pretty cool. Seats are gonna have to be details. There's a 6-passenger truck. This turns into a seat. I'll leave it as an armrest. There's a more small tear on the driver's side. I'll let you get closer in a second. Get your AC, CD control. Goes your 4-wheel drive. Power windows, power locks. Of course, gray interior. Your 2nd row seating. Flip up for storage. Let's see behind the wheel. Don't know what that means, but I guess the truck trim level. It's an Oklahoma edition. This is a badging to me. So again, it will be cleaned up. They removed the massaging seat covers. A little tore. It's a little wear and tear for the age, not bad at all. That's not why you're buying this truck. You're buying it because it's a budget friendly and 4-wheel drive. Power roll down on 2 fronts. Dimming control, headlights. Everybody has to have it built differently. There's adjustable pedals control. You driven miles. Cruise control, Bluetooth. All right, my amigos. Come pick up your 4x4 truck, crew cab, and additional seating here. I couldn't fit another person my size here, but we can squeeze if we needed to. Ivan Lopez here, Banner Ford in Mandeville, 985-966-9443. Adios. Safe travels. God bless. That's me here, Banner Ford. 985-966-9443.